Hey, Sky, what you doing with that marker? You know, you really shouldn't draw on the wall.
Oh no!
But I guess every artist needs their medium. Of course, we prefer paper crafts. Add sticks to keep it sturdy. And a paper belt. Soon, we've got our own Pinky printer. Can we have some paper? Thanks, FunBot. Now we can make art without having to wash the walls. Soon, we'll have cards for all our friends. But for now, let's do a little decorating. Now, FunBot, it's not nice to hit your friends. Here, let's make a bunch of paper boxes. Now twist and tie until we've got a paper accordion. Add to the box. Speaking of boxes, we need a big one. Make some room for the mini boxes on top. Draw out some keys. We're making a piano. Music brings all of our Sprunki friends together. Now, FunBot, you can fill the room with music. And without using a baseball bat, no less. Sky's got groceries, but there's nowhere to put it. Don't be blue. Cardboard to the rescue. Add some yellow, and it's our old pal Simon. Thanks, FunBot. Bratty, just what we need. Now we can make Simon's better half. Look, it's a Simon refrigerator. He'll keep things lemony fresh. Well, one assumes. Of course, we could use a few more appliances. Set up the table. It's almost time to set the table. But first, let's take out the trash. Uh-oh! Oh, it's okay. This cool tool should help. A Wenda vacuum. She'll help keep the trash all in one place. I think we earned a soda. Uh-oh, the table! We forgot to set it! But first things first, we need things to actually set it with. Let's start things off with a pie? Chicken pot? Or something sweet? Looks like we're going with sweet. And it's blueberry by the looks of it. Let's add our secret special sauce. And a buttery crust. Place on the table to cool. I don't trust that windowsill. But Sprunkies can't live on pie alone. What we need is delicious, nutritious bread. Especially when we use it to make rainbow grilled cheese. Sprunkies prefer food with a face. Ah, the cheese pull does not disappoint. Hey, a snake! Well, that put the stop in stop motion. But remember, waste not, want not. Besides, black and green go great with red. And with a few twists and turns, it's melon season. Now we just need to slice it up. Sometimes it pays to see some red. Plus, there's plenty of slices to go around. We'll need some beverages. Pour some juice. Everyone at the same time. It's time to dig in. A waxus? What did you roll around in?
Ew.
Well, we know just what you need. A bath. Of course, it's a bath with a sprunky touch. Do you prefer your bath hot or cold? Our Sprunki friends prefer things just right. Now, Waxus, you just sit back and relax, and we'll make just the thing to help. Your very own facial mask. Complete with soap. But let's seal it up so we can spread the suds. Now let it set. Your pores will thank you. Our friends want to help set up the new bathroom. But I guess a decorator's job is never done. The perfect thing to hold all our soaps. Plus, you can never stop at one rubber ducky. Just maybe turn it to the side. Much better. Almost done. Don't forget the bathroom sink. Not to be confused with the kitchen sink. But I think our privy's missing something. That porcelain white should be a clue. Okay, we've got a tank, a seat. I hope Sky doesn't feel insulted by this, but he can just zip his lid. Here, Oren, why don't you break it in? Hey, don't forget to wash your hands. Ugh, don't forget to flush either. Everything is coming up roses. Looks like we need to do some laundry.
Ew.
We're gonna need a washing machine. This should help with the spin cycle. Now for some finishing touches. It's time for our first load. You remembered to add detergent, right? Almost done. Hang it up to dry. Unless, of course, you want to make a dryer too. Besides, Mr. Sun is nature's dryer, and he's free. Ooh, Simon wants to donate some yellow. Wow, Mr. Sun really fills out. Now let's hang you up where you can really shine. Of course, even stars need help sometimes. Grab some twine and twist around a pole. Let's add some greenery while we're at it. Just make sure it's safe and secure. Let's add some gravel to rest your roots. Soon we'll have our own attic greenhouse.
Wow.
Big plants are nice and all, but there's room for all sizes around here. Just don't forget your watering can. What's wrong, Derple? Did you lose face? Poor Waxus. He looks a little flat. But remember, it's what's inside that counts. Especially when what's inside is candy. Waxus's dream can finally come true. He always wanted to be a piñata. And Durple's fine with some candy. Can Oren keep her new friend? Aw, who can say no to you?
Okay.
In fact, we'll whip up a habitat. Just the thing, somewhere that's green.
Cool.
I think she used Binaria as a model. Never noticed she had such a big mouth. Well, hope she likes the taste of gravel. Add some greenery to chew on. And some rocks for sunbathing. Here, Lizzie, why not check it out? Besides, our flora could use some fauna. Let's have a nice place to sit.
Wow.
Wow, our Pinky house looks great. There's room for all of our friends. More importantly, there's room for all of our stuff, too. But do you think we need an addition? Wow, a claw machine! Put in $1 and let's go! Who you gonna pick? Ooh, you got a Pinky! Let's see if we can get the whole collection. So, what are you gonna do with them all? Looks like it's gonna be a great big bash tonight. These balls sure like to get around. But why don't we help them stay more grounded? Move from the fast lane to some slice of life. Looks like all your friends want to settle down, too. Ooh, a Happy Meal. Oh, right, your tip. What's inside? Ooh, I hope there's a toy. Even better, it's an Oren burger. Oh, it's disgusting. That's a nasty patty. It's so gross, and yet we can't look away. So why don't we give it a makeover? Might as well pop a few of these pimples. Honestly, it's all just one sticky mess. Still, it's kind of fun to squish around. Let's see what else is in here. Not sure what it is, but it sure is sticky. It's not exactly an ideal snack, but it still seems fun to play with. Well, would you like fries with that? Never mind, blocks are more fun anyway. You can make anything, like fries. What? Fries are still pretty neat. Don't forget to share. Laundry day already? Well, get things turning. Wait a minute, that's not laundry. We're mixing up a special brew. But something tells me we're still gonna clean something. Here, Ratty, you could use our special water beads. Now let's pour out our special concoction. Next, our secret bath bomb powder. Because baths, like coffee, are just better with foam. Hey, you got a little something. It's a magic cleaning flower. It's got a dirty job, but someone needs to do it. Hey, need a hand? Well, how about a spare arm? I wonder if there's any buried treasure here. Uh-oh, Dracula doesn't live nearby, does he? I'm almost too scared to look, but not that scared. Ugh, whoever's in here sure is messy. Wait a sec, it's not the undead, it's Orin! They've just been preserved in slime. And they've got all this cool stuff with them. Good thing you've got that shovel. Never mind, that'll take too long. Guess we gotta get our hands dirty. Or slimy, as the case may be. Never knew Pinky was so transparent. Ah, strawberry milk. Always makes things better. Careful, you might feel a slight pink. Look at that. You're somebody now. Uh-oh, looks like you've got company. Ooh, Pinky, you're looking a little red. Probably shouldn't poke those eyes. Unless you're using cucumber slices. Everyone can use a facial now and then. You gotta let the good times roll. Okay, I think it's time for the big unveiling. Ah, much better. Hey, Oaxis, you got something for us? It's blank, but we can fix that. It's Pinky. Well, she's gonna need some pink and a little purple. Why don't we cut her out, too? Now give her some friends and some enemies. Still, they're looking a bit flat. This'll liven things up. Remember, folks, it's important to stay hydrated. It also pays to color coordinate. Now this guy's really gonna take the plunge. Here, Simon, we haven't forgotten you. All two of you. Wow, someone sure was thirsty today. Why don't we stack you up like pancakes? And flatten you up, also like pancakes. Looks like Ratty's doing his business. Hey, he could use a little privacy in here. You could at least remember to flush. Looks like we got a clog. Better clean it up. Here, this should clean things up. At the very least, we've got bubbles. You never go wrong with bubbles.